What are we doing today, Livewire?
Paddleboarding, fishing.
Wow! On a Monday?
On a Monday.
Ain't that great? No Zoom Mondays!
Not working.
Well, we made it out. Paddleboard Monday is what we'll call this from here on out. What do you say, Livewire, after catching that fish? Another great day with Livewire, Austin, Texas. No Zoom Mondays, out and about. SUPs and fishing, Lady Bird Lake. Do it if you can. Living life differently for 2 months now and loving it. Jeff Steinley, bye for now.